We'll guide you through how to change a Facebook page name. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to change your Facebook page name, perhaps you're rebranding your business and therefore you want it to be reflected on Facebook, or alternatively you just run a page and you want to go and change the name of it. It doesn't matter why, we're going to guide you through the steps. So make sure it's this full guide and you're going to know exactly what you need to do in order to do this. So head to the bottom right of Facebook and you should see it there, or the top right depending upon your device. Now we'll need to go and find the pages shortcut. You can press C more if needed to go and find that, and then you can tap on it. You'll go and see your different pages here. I find the easiest way though to go and switch between pages is at the top to the right of your profile, press that arrow, then you can choose the page you want to do it with, tap on it, the one you want to go and change the name of. So we've now successfully switched to it, and you need to head back to the menu page. So press the button in the bottom right or top right, go to the top right and find the gear or cog icon, and that will be your settings. Or you can scroll down, find settings of privacy and tap there, and then press settings. So there's a few different ways you can go and get here. Now in here, you need to go and scroll down to audience visibility, this section. And in here, you need to locate the option for page setup. As you can see, here it is. You want to go and tap on it, and now you're going to go and see a load of different info about your page. But for the name, you can tap name at the top. Now, as you can see here, it says that if you change your page, your name, you can't change it for 60 days. So note that, but then what you can do is tap here and you can go and make the addition you want. Press review change, and then you can go and submit it for approval at the bottom.